Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I'll speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. So basically what I found in the last couple of days is a balancing process is going on the euro versus US dollar. We can see the last few days basically bars are relatively overlapping each other. It's a classic form of the horizontal balancing. Now, in this example, I will like to see the breakout in order to confirm the further direction. The upside breakout with the resistance at the 1.0278 can confirm the test of 1.0360, and the upside opportunities, if we see the upside breakout, will be preferable in the pullbacks. From other side, if the market will clear the lows at 1.0125, then the downside opportunities will be preferable and potential retest of 1.000, let's say 5 and 0.9955. So the lows in this area here will be also in the play. So watch for the breakout to confirm either direction, Speaking of the gold market, the situation in the gold market is that we had a wide range reversal bar 2 trading days ago. But here the market is near the critical pivot and very, very important supply zone. There is a middle Keltner line, the downsloping 20-day moving average. There's a rate of change flip to the downside, but still market is trading inside the previous day range. And one option is that market go for this supply area and the middle Keltner line or 20-day moving average, and then establish some continuational patterns for potential retest of 1785. But other example is basic scenario is that market just resell from here and continue to retest the lows again around 1690 or even 1680. Again, no any kind of confirmation for now. We can see basically on the lower frames. Just click and go to, for example, lower frames. We can see basically market is still building some higher lows, but if we basically clear this, and negate this we might see some kind of the downside, a downside rotation. For now, both scenarios can be in the play. Still, this big wide range reversal from 2 days ago is present. And speaking of the crude oil, market is in the critical pivot low, so like support area 93, a very important level for the crude oil. At this stage we can see also big reaction here. Also we are reacting from this stage. If we find the bids here and if markets react and build some higher lows intraday, we might see the rotation back to 100 mark, maybe even 203.80 mark. If we clear the pin bar low at 90.90 level, we can also attack probably 85.15. So watch also. Lots of the markets are near the critical and important pivots, and the further observation and what the action around the pivots will be very, very important to observe. Bitcoin is also the same thing. So we have the potential pullback mode here, but still we don't know if this is a pullback or potentially some downside continuation after the prolonged correction. For now, we don't have over some bigger supply, the 2-hour time frame. I cannot see there is anything meaningful supply, but still we're building the lower highs and lower lows, and still the supply trend is active and we didn't break this. Maybe if we start to go and clear this and build something, this can be a good sign for the upside continuation. For now, it's still supply and control, and the test of this 20-day moving average is present. From other side, if market will go deeper inside the previous range, maybe Bitcoin can go all the way again and towards 19,000. We'll see. It's basically a test day for me so far to see if this 20-day moving average can hold or not. That will be all for this update, guys. Hope that you enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.